Welcome to FABrication. My name is Steve Sousley, and we're here today to talk about components that you may use in the fabrication of headers and exhaust. Some of those connections may be a V-band type assembly, and this V-band utilizes two flanges that are machined identically, and then they utilize a clamp that simply surrounds that tube. It is flexible, so you can flex it over top of the tubing and then simply latch that. And one of the nice features on our V-band clamps is this quick release feature. So you only have to loosen this one or two turns, and then you can pop it loose. A lot of other V-band connections, you have to completely remove the bolt in order to get it loose. And since those V-band flanges are machined identically, what you want to do is you want to make a male and a female connection so that it centers it. If you simply leave them flush, the tubing does not protrude outside of that flange, then the flange can become offset. That clamp will not center this connection. And anytime that you have an offset, you're going to have an interference in the exhaust flow. We want to minimize any kind of interference in the exhaust flow, whether that be at the cylinder head connection or downstream at the muffler. So the way that this would work is you simply then have to push that together, and then you can utilize this clamp that is simply stretched over there. Connect that, tighten your nut, and you're done. There's no silicone, there's no gasket. This will give you a tight seal, leak-proof for an exhaust application. The other type of connection would be a slip type connection. And we've utilized the slip connection on this side of the muffler. Now this connection, we would use a flat band clamp here, and you simply have some slots in an expansion joint. You can see here that we have a good tight fit on this, and you keep in mind that this is 35 thousandths wall tubing on the muffler. It is also 35 thousandths wall tubing that we're utilizing here. This is thinner than normal gauge. I would not use this on a straight rod, but for a race car application where weight is important, or lack of weight, a lightweight component, these are the materials we utilize. And then this simply goes over the top, and this is a flat band clamp. You tighten your nut, and this will give you a good connection. V-bands and flat band clamps are available here at FABrication. We carry these anywhere from 1 3/4" diameter up to 5" diameter. The flanges are available in mild steel or stainless. If your cost is important, or reducing costs, then the mild steel is a good alternative, but keep in mind they will rust. If you're building a street rod or you're building something where longevity is important, then there's stainless is your best option. Thank you again for coming to visit FABrication. These are some of the connections that we utilize here at this facility. We have 20 years of header building experience and exhaust building technology.